Assalamu alaikum. Currently, I'm just kind of tired of being broke, and also I am trying to work. Right now, I am actually doing a job. I joined last month, and there was a reason because currently I am, let's say, in debt, and also I want to grow my YouTube channel, not to, let's say, earn monetization or anything like that, just to record and to use my YouTube account as a progress that I'm working, and also it's a daily reminder that I am going to post videos. So there are currently I have a lot of plans. Well, first thing was that I was going to sell my PC because I thought I would buy a laptop and, let's say, work anywhere, even while I'm on my bed. But the reason I didn't do sell my PC is because that the job I am at, they have laptops, but I tried to install some softwares, and it was super laggy. Even before that, when I just installed Windows on that and updated it, it was slow. But I thought, yeah, it's a laptop, it's going to be a little slower than my PC. But then I installed a few softwares, and other thing was I installed a Linux from WSL kernel. Then currently the job I'm working at is a dispatch company, which is let's say is a new branch. They set a new branch in my city. Basically, the manager there is my friend, but I kind of don't like it. Because the situation currently is that I'm in a debt, and well, I know it's not in dollars, but uh, totally it's under, I believe, around 800 or $850. It's probably not that much, but in my currency it is. So I just applied there, and I'm working there now. It's around it's almost a month. So uh, around 4 to 5 days I will get my first pay. But I'm already trying to learn a language, computer language, so I can apply in a different company. My cousin, his friend, he has a software agency in my city. The reason is that that person, the software agency guy, he's right now setting up a second branch of his company in my city, and of course, first of all, he needs guys. Also, he since he is a friend of my cousin, so I already asked what kind of languages they are in need of. They require PHP, Laravel, and API integration. I am just going to learn those in just few weeks, like max 2 weeks, and then I'm going to apply there. The other reason is that since we are providing dispatch, so dispatch companies work times are according to the US, from 5 p.m. my current time to morning 2 a.m., and it's kind of terrible because right now it's like 2:30 in the a.m. in the morning, and I can't like focus, or my brain is hurting. Also, I'm kind of sleeping all day, and then just wake up, wash my face, go there. It's a new company, basically it's a new branch here, but I believe they are working independently from the main branch. Is That's one reason. The other reason is that I can't work with calls. I'm not good at speaking that much, or my confidence level is not that great. Right now I'm in front of the camera. Well, I will say one thing, that my English improved a lot, because before that I was speaking just my native language, and I wasn't like I used to translate a lot in my brain from my language to English, and then think about it, and then translating and speaking. But it improved. That it's not that great, but right now, as you can see, but it improved. Before this video, I was just speaking like, oh yeah, yeah, oh, and like that. Also, I am just going to record and quickly just edit it, simply just trim it, cut it, and I'm going to upload on YouTube, these videos on YouTube. It's basically a progress and also a daily reminder that I am working. I am just going to cut off all the unnecessary tasks or actions that I set up, because right now I don't have that much time, because I need to go there, the job, and after that I have just few hours, and in that I'm just going to do what is most important. So I'm just going to learn some programming language. I already have some good understanding of some programming languages. Like in the start I did some web development, so I did learn HTML, CSS, a little bit of JavaScript. I am gonna go through them all over again. Also on a Discord community, I believe the last code bender, I have joined that community. I'm also going to update my progress in their daily progress tab. Other than that, today I am just going to remove slowly. Just did some basic tasks that I haven't completed. I'm just going to do them. I'm not going to do them like whole the way. I'm just going to cut off them from my list, and then after that I am going to work on my language, so I just have a clear goal for my next 2 weeks. After a few days, when that guy is from the company I'm working in is going to pay me, that money is straight going to the person I'm in debt to. He's not the only one. I have one or two other people besides him, so I'm just going to pay him, because he's really, like, after just I told him last month that I'm going to work in a company, and when I'm gonna get paid, I'm gonna pay you. It is a little peaceful after that, but before that, my like I said, January and February were insane. He was calling every day. He was messaging me that when are you going to pay me, all that. So I was frustrated. I did had some actions in my first quarter of this year, but most of them I never finished. I never did those. In one of those was a YouTube. Right now I'm working on that. So thumbnails are not going to be that great, and the video quality, as you can see, is just going to be normal. But I am just going to start. I'm just going to take actions. That's it. So that was it for the reasons and all that. So I believe there is only around 1 week or even less in Eid. Eid is going to be, I believe, today's Saturday. Today's Sunday. Okay, so Saturday is gone. I already have Sunday. From Monday, I'm going back to the company I'm working in. I believe 2 to 3 days max. I believe maybe Tuesday or Wednesday he's going to pay me. After that, I believe is going to be Eid. I think because of dispatching, we only have Eid. The first day of the Eid is off, but I believe we have to go on the second day. I'm just going to tell him, maybe I will go, but I'm gonna try and tell him that I went to Lahore, and I have applied in a company, and I'm basically going there for interview. So that's what I'm going to tell him. I hope I am able to finish PHP Laravel in 2 weeks, because also we have Eid.